What is Forex trading and how does it work? Hello and welcome to Signal Board 24. Today, I'll explain one of the most important questions. What is Forex trading and how does it work? Forex, or foreign exchange, is the largest financial market in the world, where currencies are bought and sold. Every day, over $6 trillion are traded, making it bigger than the stock market. The goal of Forex trading is simple. Buy a currency when it's low and sell it when it's high. Let's say you believe the value of the euro will rise against the US dollar. You would buy euros and wait for the price to increase. Once it does, you sell the euros and make a profit. Forex is a decentralized market, which means there's no central exchange like the stock market. Instead, trading happens online 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, across major financial centers like London, New York, and Tokyo. You can trade Forex through a broker using trading platforms like MetaTrader 4 or 5. And the best part? You don't need to be a millionaire to start. Many brokers allow you to trade with as little as $100. Stay tuned as I break down more Forex basics in upcoming videos. Don't forget to subscribe for daily tips.